Good morning all of you. So in this video we are going to discuss about the reactions of sulfuric acid with metal. How metal undergo reaction with dilute sulfuric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Reaction with metals. Sulfuric acid react with metals and gives different product depending on the reactants and the reacting conditions. Dilute sulfuric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid is one in which the amount of solvent is very much greater than amount of solute. React with metals like tin, aluminum, zinc to give corresponding sulfate. Remember, with the dilute sulfuric acid, metal liberates hydrogen. Metal liberates hydrogen. Zn plus H2SO4, zinc liberate hydrogen from dilute sulfuric acid and form zinc sulfate. Aluminum, when treated with the sulfuric acid H2SO4, aluminum liberate hydrogen and form aluminum sulfate. Hot concentrated sulfuric acid react with the copper and lead to give the respective sulfate, copper sulfate and lead sulfate. With the con sulfuric acid, usually metal liberate sulfur dioxide SO2. Cu copper plus H2SO4 gives copper sulfate with the liberation of sulfur dioxide, and lead with the concentrated sulfuric acid gives lead sulfate with the liberation of sulfur dioxide. Sulfuric acid does not react with the noble metals like gold, silver and platinum. So platinum, gold, silver, they don't have any reaction with the concentrated sulfuric acid and also with the dilute sulfuric acid. Now we are going to discuss how these reactions takes place. Reactions of sulfuric acid with metal. Under this heading, first we are going to discuss about how a metal undergo reaction with dilute sulfuric acid H2SO4. A request to you, if you still not subscribe my channel, please subscribe it. What is meant by a dilute solution? A dilute solution is one in which the amount of solvent is very much greater than amount of solute. Amount of solvent is very much greater than amount of solute. First reaction with the zinc is sudden. Generally metal liberate hydrogen with the dilute acid. Zn, zinc, when placed in dilute sulfuric acid. Hydrogen is a monopositive ion, sulfate 2 minus ion. When we write in class that 2 is here, this 1 is there, gives metal always lost electron becomes positive ion. This plus combine with this minus form zinc sulfate ZnSO4. Zn lost 2 electron to becomes 2 plus ion. Sulfate is a 2 minus ion. When we write in class that 2 is here, this 2 is there, 2 get cancelled and this hydrogen is liberated as H2 in gaseous state. Actually, how this reaction takes place, how H2 is liberated. Zn It is a metal, therefore always undergo oxidation, gives Zn2 plus ion with the loss of 2 electron. The electron lost by zinc is gained by hydrogen present in sulfuric acid. 2H plus ion from sulfuric acid gain that 2 electrons and gives H2 gas is liberated. When we add these two reactions, you will get the final reaction. 2 electrons get cancelled and Zn plus 2H plus ions gives Zn2 plus ion plus liberation of H2. So, now you know how this H2 is liberated, and the zinc 2 plus ion formed in this reaction combined with the SO4 2 minus ion, thereby zinc sulfate is formed. In this reaction, we know zinc undergo oxidation, elemental zinc oxidation state 0, in zinc sulfate it is 2 plus. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases, therefore it is called oxidation. Increasing in oxidation number is called oxidation. And one more metal, aluminium, also undergo reaction with sulfuric acid, the same reaction. All metal, when treated with dilute sulfuric acid, it liberates hydrogen. Aluminium, 13th group element, valency 3, when treated with sulfuric acid, H2SO4, hydrogen oxidation state +1, sulfate 2 minus, that 2 is here, this 1 is there, and gives. Metal lost electron becomes positive ion, this plus combined with the sulfate minus ion, form aluminium sulfate. Sulfate is a 2 minus ion and aluminium 3 plus. When we write in class, that 2 is here, this 3 is there, and liberation of H2 in gaseous state. How to balance? 2 aluminium, 2 aluminium. How many sulfate? 3 sulfate, 3 sulfate. 3H2, 3H2. Equation is balanced. So, what is the name of Al2SO4 thrice aluminium sulfate. Aluminium sulfate. Now, we are going to discuss about the reactions of metal with concentrated sulfuric acid. Reactions of metal with concentrated sulfuric acid, con H2SO4, concentrated H2SO4. What is concentrated sulfuric acid? A dilute solution is one in which amount of solute is very much less than amount of solvent. A concentrated solution is one in which amount of solute is very much greater than amount of solvent. This is your concentrated solution. How metal undergo reaction with con sulfuric acid, that we are going to discuss. Copper, when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, H2SO4, gives metal becomes positive ion combined with the negative ion, gives copper sulfate. Copper lost 2 electron becomes 2 plus ion. Sulfate is a 2 minus ion. When we write in class, 2 get cancelled, plus liberation of sulfur dioxide and loss of H2O. sulfur dioxide acidic gas is evolved when metal undergo reaction with concentrated sulfuric acid. 2 sulfur, 2 sulfur, 2H2, 2H2. Actually, how this reaction takes place, that now we are going to discuss. First, in the first step, copper when treated with sulfuric acid H2SO4, copper undergo oxidation and becomes copper 2 plus ion combined with the SO4 2 minus ion form copper sulfate CuSO4. With the loss of 2 nascent hydrogen. The hydrogen, freshly prepared hydrogen, is called nascent hydrogen. Freshly prepared hydrogen is called nascent hydrogen, used as a reducing agent, used to reduce the sulfuric acid. In the second step, the nascent hydrogen obtained in the first step reduces sulfuric acid into sulfur dioxide and water molecule. So, this nascent hydrogen reduces sulfuric acid into sulfur dioxide and H2O. 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. To add the two equation, we have to equalize the nascent hydrogen. The nascent hydrogen is already balanced, 2 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Therefore, there is no need for multiplying any equation by any number. Just by adding this equation, we will get the final equation. Copper plus how many molecules of sulfuric acid? 2 molecules of concentrated sulfuric acid, and gives copper sulfate CuSO4 plus liberation of SO2, acidic gas sulfur dioxide, and 2 water molecules are also removed. So, in this reaction, a metal undergo oxidation, at the same time sulfuric acid undergo reduction. Metal in free state oxidation state equal to 0. In copper sulfate, copper is in 2 plus oxidation state. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases, therefore it is called oxidation. Oxidation. In sulfuric acid, sulfur is in plus 6 oxidation state. In sulfur dioxide, it is in plus 4 oxidation state. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number decreases, so it is called reduction. Reduction. Like this reaction, now we are going to discuss one more reaction with the lead. Lead with concentrated sulfuric acid. See the reaction, same reaction. Pb, lead, when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid H2SO4, gives lead undergo oxidation and becomes 2 plus ion, which combine with the sulfate 2 minus ion, form lead sulfate. Oxidation state of lead is 2 plus, oxidation state of sulfate is 2 minus. When that 2 is here, this 2 is there, 2 get cancelled, molecular formula is only PbSO4, and liberation of SO2, sulfur dioxide, and loss of water molecule H2O. 2 sulfur, 2 sulfur, 2H2, 2H2. Equation is balanced. How actually this reaction takes place? In the first step, first lead Pb is oxidized by sulfuric acid H2SO4, gives lead undergo oxidation, becomes 2 plus ion combined with the 2 minus ion form lead sulfate PbSO4 and produce nascent hydrogen. Freshly prepared hydrogen is called nascent hydrogen. It acts as a reducing agent. That nascent hydrogen reduces sulfuric acid. That nascent hydrogen reduces sulfuric acid into sulfur dioxide and H2O. Sulfur dioxide and H2O. Now, balance the second equation. 4 hydrogen, 4 hydrogen. And when we add these two reactions, 2 hydrogen get cancelled. And what is the final equation? Pb plus H2SO4, H2SO4, 2 molecules of sulfuric acid, H2SO4, and gives PbSO4 plus SO2, liberation of SO2 and loss of 2 water molecule. So, in this reaction, metal undergo oxidation. Metal lead in free state oxidation state equal to 0, and in lead sulfate it is 2 plus. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number increases, so it is called oxidation. In sulfuric acid, plus 6 oxidation state for sulfur and plus 4 oxidation state in sulfur dioxide. When you move from left to right, the oxidation number decreases, so it is called reduction. And this is how metal undergo reaction with dilute sulfuric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid. Thank you for watching this video, and once again I remind you, if you still not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe it. Thank you.